Okay, having a big problem with this thing. Okay, it's starting now, and it's going to error out again. I cannot get this thing to run right now. Yep, same error. I don't know why. That's what it looks like. So it's going back to you guys, but yeah, I don't know what's going on. Oh, here, let me press the start to. Let me just show how you, if you do try to restart it. See how? And nope. And nope. And maybe let's move it off the wire or something. Nope. It just keeps throwing manual start. So when I do this, I get the manual manual stop error, and then wire missing error on the app. So I'll power it down too, and then we'll power back up. Yeah. I mean, put it on top of the wire even.